I'm going to show you how you can add widgets to your desktop. Additionally, I'm also going to show you how you can add widgets to your start menu. So you can choose whether to customize your widgets on your start menu here, or you can have widgets on your desktop here. So the first thing that we want to do is open up our search bar and type in taskbar settings and then click on that. From here, just ensure that widgets are turned on. So you can see here, you just need to click it if it's turned off to make sure that it is on. And then you can close out of this. From here, if you press the Windows key and W, you will bring up the widget menu. On the left, it might actually automatically go to the Discover tab. So all you need to do is just click Widgets, which is above it. And then we have our widgets here. If you'd like to customize this or add a new one, just find the plus sign. It'll either be in the top right or it'll be somewhere on the left. But for me, it's in the top right. And you can choose an array of things to add as a widget. So as I already have the weather, let's add the focus session here. So I click add widget and then you can see it here. You can also just drag it as if it's a window and you can move them around like this. However, if you would like widgets to be on your desktop here, i.e. in front of your wallpaper, what we need to do is open up the search bar and type in Microsoft Store. In the search bar at the very top, type in widget and then press enter. And you can choose any of these widget applications here to do what you need to do. But for me, I've tested the widget launcher and it is 100% free. So we'll just click on this one and then click the get button. Give that a few moments to download and install. Once that's installed, click open. So as you can see, we have an array of different widgets here. So let's say that I want the note widget. We'll just click on that. From here, you can change the colors if you wish, as well as the transparency. Once you're happy, just click launch widget. Because this application is free, you will have to sit through just watching an ad for a few seconds, but it's not very long. Like 4 or 5 seconds. Then just click launch widget once it's done. And then as you can see, it is populated it in the top left. And all you can do is just like any type of window is just grab the very top and then you can move it around. All the widgets can be resized as you can see here. So let's say we move this to the top corner. And after you don't interact with it for a few seconds, you actually lose all of the additional setting options on the left. So it looks a lot cleaner. But if you do want to remove it, all you need to do is go over, hover over it, click on it, and then you can click the cross arrow here to remove it.